Well, I'm here in the yard with Tina from Sungro. And Tina, we're standing out here and it's a very tropical, beautiful yard. And I think a lot of people didn't realize you could do tropical plants in your yard.
Yes, Ryan, that's something that I hear often from people. They think that, purchasing a banana or some of the tropical cannas, that they're just going to be a seasonal one and done plant. And we're fortunate enough in this climate to be able to enjoy these year after year as long as we protect them in the right way.
Right, because they do need a little bit more protection to get them to go through. So you can't just set it and forget it on these.
Yes, absolutely.
So if you want to protect, your banana, and this is a red banana, I think you got from Rosie down in N&M Nursery.
Yes, that's a great place for your tropics.
How would you protect this banana? What's your game plan for this?
So what we'll do with this banana, we'll cut it off right above where you can see that most recent cut was. We'll cut it off there. I like to do it at a slight angle just so that water doesn't settle on top. It'll kind of roll off. And then we'll wrap it in the froth cloth.
Okay.
And this is about 6 to 8 degrees warmth per layer. And so I'm going to do 2 layers so that'll get that extra warmth through the winter. And then
it's important when you're picking out the fabric, you can use like a big heavy frost cloth like this. You can pick these up at a lot of the local garden centers.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, any local garden center should have froth cloth.
And then, things you're saying, you want to make sure that we keep it, because water is the enemy.
Yes.
During the winter time. So we want to make sure that, whatever cloth that you're using doesn't absorb and hold on to that water. Because once that freezes, then you're going to have damage to the banana trunk.
Yeah, you want to have a nice breathable cloth.
Okay. And then on your canna lilies, we're standing in front of those too.
Yeah.
You're doing those a little bit differently.
Yes. So these, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just cut them back at the base.
Okay.
And then I'm going to give them really nice mulch. And I like to use black gold products, and I'm with black gold, so naturally.
Which works out great. So this way, we're not trying to protect the trunks on these. These will go all the way down to the ground.
Yes.
Put a good layer of like a black gold mulch over the top just to help insulate that.
It's pretty easy, really. It's pretty simple.
Yeah, so it's great to be able to know that you can grow these tropical plants here in the Northwest and get them to come back year after year.
Yes.
So Tina, I appreciate all of the information and the tips on growing tropicals in your yard. For more information on how to grow your tropicals and how to protect them, make sure you go to gardentime.tv. So Tina, it's been a pleasure being out here, and we appreciate all the information. Thank you.
Thank you, Ryan.